2, ground 2165.
2165, Hotel 2, West 10, 66.
Check card 817, exit Charlie 2, then Echo, ground 219.
Echo 219, check card 817.
Savannah 183, clear takeoff, runway 23.
Yeah, I'll take off number 76101.
Level 7556 check, 320 in sight, visual departure, line up runway 23.
Traffic in sight, line up G30 at 7556.
Contact departure 1288 in the air, clear takeoff runway 23.
Departure there, clear takeoff G30 at 7556.
Encore 3605, exit Charlie 4, contact ground 1219.
4 grounds 219, encore, please.
Savannah 183, contact departure on 12820.
12821,
Air Canada 376, clear to land, runway 23. Air Canada 376, Terra, clear to land, runway 23.
Airline 23, Air Canada 376.
Air Canada 617, heavy Terra, clear to land, runway 24 right.
And 24 right, Air Canada 617 heavy.
Line up runway 23.
I have to be good. Come on.
Kilo Tango Oscar Charlie, go get past the Cat 1, you'll go after the dash. Departure heading 290, stop climb at 3,000 feet.
Air Canada 62, Romeo, ILS 24 right.
Air Canada 376, Hotel 2, contact ground 12165.
That's 3 contact.
That was 622 Romeo Terra, clear to land, runway 24 right.
94 right, good, 62 Romeo.
Jazz 651, clear takeoff, runway 20.
Airport takeoff, 2661.
Jazz 617, exit Charlie 4, contact ground 1219.
74.9, Air Canada 617.
Contact departure 12820.
2080, just 651.
Tango Oscar, the dash 8 is staying straight out. Turn right heading 290 as soon as you're able. Clear takeoff runway 23.
Clear takeoff 23 heading 290 when able. Go Tango Oscar, good day.
Stay on this route. Go Tango Oscar, you can stay on this route.
Go Tango Oscar, welcome.
38 hours, and RJ rolling out, clear to land, runway 24 right.
24 right, Jazz, pass rate.
Echo 002, are you there? The wind's 350 degrees, 9 knots, clear to land, runway 23.
Land 23,
Georgia 7267, exit Charlie 4, grounds 1219, goodbye.
219, good day, Georgia 7267. Aircraft 356, good afternoon.
FR 356, hello, the wind is calm, clear to land, runway 24 right.
To land 24 right, FR 356. Line up runway 23 for Rouge 1860.
Wind check on 24 right, the wind is calm. Echo 002, grounds 12165, goodbye. Way 23.
Clear takeoff 23, Rouge 1860.
Aspen 812, hello, line up runway 23.
Up C3, your sprint takeoff. 330 over Noah.
Whiskey 4330, hello, caution weight terminus, you are following a 777 down, the wind is calm, clear to land 24 right.
Edwards, 4330, hello.
Aircraft 356, exit right at the end, and contact ground 121.9. Bye.
19, good day.
Good afternoon, Lufthansa 470 Heavy, to far right.
Lufthansa 470 Heavy, good afternoon. Continue approach, you are number 3. You are following an Airbus 319 on a 5.5 mile final. I'm not talking to them yet, so continue in for now, landing clearance to follow.
470, roger.
Aspen 812, wind 350 degrees 8 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 23.
Good to take off, sorry, 23, Aspen 812.
Rouge 1816, departures 128, goodbye.
Goodbye, Rouge 1860.
American 2654 is at the end down on the ILS 24 right.
And Waterski 4330, you don't need to respond to this, but I need you off the runway as quick as possible, traffic behind you is catching you up. American 2654 tower, hello, is an Embraer, a mile final. You've got 30 knots of them at the moment, the wind is 070 degrees 3 knots, you are clear to land 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, we're slowing American 2654.
Yeah, check that, American 2654, after landing I need you off quick as well, you've got a 747 catching you up by 30 knots.
Alright, copy that, American 2654.
470, reduce right back now to final approach speed, you're catching up at 319 at the moment by 30 knots. And I'll give you landing clearance a bit later on.
470, reduce to final.
Con Tower, good afternoon, Air Canada 006.
Can 006, hello, the wind 360 degrees 9 knots, you are clear to land on runway 23.
Land 23, Air Canada 006.
altitude.
Stand by. Lufthansa 470 tower, are you able to visually switch over to runway 24 left? Lufthansa 470, roger. Visually switch now to runway 24 left. And you are clear to land on runway 24 left, the wind is calm.